Hey everyone, welcome back to Rose's Raw Reality, where I am going to be doing my own haircut. Vinny was not down to cut it with me.
What kind of fun activity to do? You're gonna come here.
He felt my hair had already been destroyed enough and did not want to be a part of making it even worse. It's already a disaster, so...
Lobotomy on YouTube.
So it's called Hairdressers Guide to Cutting Your Own Hair and Not Ruining It.
I have created a very simple guide to follow when doing your haircuts, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First of all, you're going to need some tools in order to cut your hair at home.
I think these scissors will be okay. I feel like it's better than me using like the kindergarten type scissors. I also do not have small hair ties. I just have like regular ones, so hopefully that'll work. I found a couple clips, but I used them when I was like bleaching my hair, and I don't even think I really washed them.
Wash your damn hair. Apply product to protect your hair. So this is going to protect your hair up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. No heat damage. It's also going to add a nice amount of hold to your style. And
why would I get heat damage? Okay, I'm so confused right now. What the heck does heat protectant have to do with like bringing scissors to my hair and cutting it? Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna keep watching.
So after you've applied the proper products, please blow dry. Then fully straighten your hair. Bone straight. Today, we're gonna be cutting on dry hair.
I have trouble with boxes. Oh, this stuff might help. I don't know. Get that little baby here. Let's see what we do next.
So we're gonna part our hair. Now that we have that, we're gonna then section out each of those slices. Put your comb on there, and you're gonna find where the apex is. That's the high point of the tallest. And take the comb from that apex. Keep that tension on it just the way it's laying. Follow it forward. Timeline. Don't lose that tension. It would be nice if you had a friend there to help, or a mother, or a father, or anything. Just anybody, a dog. I don't know.
Willie! Come here. Good boy. Want to help me with some hair things? Yeah? Want to help me with some hair things? Here. You're supposed to brush it, like not run away with it. I had the back to put in.
Now on to the fun part. We're gonna start cutting our hair. Are you scared yet? No feet in the back. There's nothing weird happening. It's perfectly rounded.
Nothing weird going on. Really. Nothing weird going on. This is not perfectly rounded. Like, look at this shit. It is not rounded at all. Let's see if you can fix it.
Next step, this does tend to get a bit long because of the over direction we had over here. So we're gonna correct that now. We're gonna section off just a bit. We're gonna comb the hair in front of our face. Hopefully you can kind of see through your hair. This might be a little difficult for you. We're gonna take our scissors, and you see that slight bend happening in the front? It kind of goes down a little bit because of the over direction we had on the shoulders. We're gonna correct that. We're just gonna point cut across, and we're just gonna get rid of that little tiny leg. Now, this might be a good place for some of you to stop. If you have fine hair, or you like your ends just feeling really thick with no layering, you can totally stop here. Don't make this perfect. A little more straight across, but still kind of straight.
I am no longer room for perfection. I can be better. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay, 2 ponytails. Let's take a look. Getting really itchy. Can I fix it?
Alright, so I'm not usually the type of girl that is concerned about my looks. As you may have been able to tell, I don't wear makeup and do those girly things, which is why I'm making this series about me discovering girly things. And also, because there's a lot of things that claim like anyone could do this. And if it's girly, if anyone can do it, I can do it. And there's a lot of things I can't do. So I wanna, debunk that anyone can do this theory. But anyway, now that it's grown, it's not as bad as it was, but still not great. Probably won't ever be doing it again to myself. I think this is something I'm gonna leave to the professionals. Sounds like a good idea. Anyway, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so you can see when I post new videos. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you know of anything that is girly, that says anyone can do it, let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna try it and really see if anyone can do it. Alright then, last but not least, check out my social medias. Thanks for watching.